All right, we're back at it again. We are gonna get this bilge nice and cleaned up so that we can paint it and be done with this part of the project. We'll remove this second water tank. We already have the inspection ports, and we'll go ahead and put new connections on all of them. We'll redo all the fittings. This PEX will be the new option running throughout the entire boat. And we're about done draining this. We'll get it out of here. And once we get out of here, we'll clean up the last of the residue from the hurricane and engine and all sorts of things that were spilling. And we have it running aft out where we have yet to install the seacock. We'll be using this same thing we used to clean up all the oil from the engine pan before we cleaned it. And then this should get the last of, let me show you down in here. The last of that residue. It's all dry, it's just leftover oil and soot and all sorts of problems related to the old engine. But we'll have a nice clean bilge. So I think this really opened up the whole galley as it kind of comes here into the booth. So it makes access to the freezer a lot easier. So this freezer no longer works. I think this could be a new storage area, or reroute the sink here. The plumbing is right here. It's just a tiny little propane canister in the back, but I think this old 2-burner oven goes. We get a new 2-burner alcohol stove, or maybe an induction hot plate. Not sure yet. A lot to sort out, but so much better. Alright, so here's a quick little before. Pretty clean. Well, it's midnight. I'm out of paper towels, but we can give it a real good pressure washing, clean up, paint job. Maybe just check out some of the damage. See if there's anything that needs to be patched.